Hey all cubers, this is Anti-Cubing reporting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a Curvy Copter, a normal Curvy Copter, not a modified one or anything. So for this, you need a Curvy Copter, of course, that's of course needed. That's actually impractical of me, and a screwdriver. Tuck tuck, let's open it. So first, you gotta keep it in a little horizontal way. Take your screwdriver, take the negative part, insert it here, and just like pull, tuck, and it came out. So here you go. So now the next part is take out this. So like, yeah, so first let's take out this corner piece. We guys should get it managed, because if even one part of it gets misplaced, then you gotta be gone. So like, oh god, this is so messy around here. Where did the piece go? Here it is. Now here you go. Then yeah, one more. It's pretty difficult. So I keep this. Take the screwdriver and gotta like pop. It's pretty fun doing this. Like take this and like pop. You get the pieces out. Like ooh, fuck. You gotta be kidding me! There's so many pieces around here. Why am I getting my lube around here? Like this. So many pieces around here. And it's so hard to get these pieces out. And it's pretty difficult. So until and unless it's compulsory or very necessary for you, then only open it. Cause it's gonna be there we got this. So now for this side, again, take it horizontal way, insert this, and no, fuck, got it out. Yeah, we getting it, people. All YouTube video people getting it. There are so many pieces. I'm sick of it. It's pretty frustrating taking out all the pieces. So actually, even I'm not pretty good at this. So that's why I'm not gonna remove these edge pieces. So because if you want to remove, I'll show it to you that how to remove it, but I'm not gonna remove because the color scheme is going to give a problem to you guys when we're gonna join it back. So I prefer not taking that out. And there we go. So like I was talking, I'm gonna tell you how I'm gonna take it. So if you see over here, we have a hinge like thing. So there is, take your screwdriver, put it here in this, and pop, you got it out. So we just gotta do this, and now we gotta put this back in the holes like this. So now we gotta do it like that. So yeah, so let's begin how to join it back. I know this part, which was the breaking down, was pretty easy. Now we can begin the joining back. So you can just take a look around here until I just get mentally prepared for joining it back. Yeah. So the cube part is pretty nice. So let's begin. So we take it. Now we have to decide first part. So I take orange. So we gotta take it like this and just manage it. Like we form a plus sign over here. Yeah, then we begin. So first we take a triangular piece. Now triangle, orange triangle. Here it is. Yep. We clear the area first. Take this, keep it flat, and put it just like this. So we fixed one. Now second. So we gotta first complete one side. So let's keep finding. So it's like a game also for us. Yes, we got it. So like boom, and we got it correct. Make sure that it matches with the orange, and don't keep it with the blue side. So be careful with that. Secondly, now I think this is the one. No, this is blue. Yay, orange! Bingo! Again, boop, we got it. Pushy. We are finding ham and cheese. I love that song, Dude, where is that part? Yes, we found it. This is pretty frustrating. So, yeah, so this part we got it correct. So now we keep it as a base. So now we have to first put this corner piece. So the white, the blue, and the orange. So what we gotta do, we take the white, blue, and orange. So let's first find that. So there we go. We take this part. So we keep it like for a while. Then we take the triangular piece of either of the color, like the white one. We just fix that part. So like this is boof. I got it. So now we kept it. Now we have got to put the corner piece. Yep. Yeah. And now we gotta put this triangular piece. Take this blue triangular piece. Insert it. Okay, this part is pretty difficult. So you gotta fix this thumb over here. And now, there we go. So we've done one side. So like this we have to do from each side of the orange, so we can complete half of the cube. So take the blue cube right here. So now we take the blue part again, blue side, yeah. We take it, we keep this like this, put it. Now we need a corner that is yellow, orange, and blue. Is this the one? Nope. Oh, this is frustrating. Yellow, 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 yellow. What did we need actually? Let's just check it out once more. We need a yellow, blue, and an orange. So let's find just orange pieces. Orange, orange, where are you? Where are you? Oh, there's my friend. So gotta put it. Oh God. Pussy. Yeah, finally. So now, again, the frustrating part. The yellow triangle. Like, take this, the triangle pointing up, and thumb fixed, and you gotta be like, give it a little turn like this, and then you can try it and insert it. It's like, boom, you gotta go. You gotta go, man. Yo, it did. It ditched me. Like, you gotta go. You know, I am a pretty patient guy, so I'm like able to do. If you're not a patient guy, don't even attempt to do it. Yes, baby, bingo. So now this side. So we gotta be the yellow part. Yellow, yellow, plain yellow, yellow, plain yellow. Is this yellow? No. Is yellow? No. Is yellow? No. Is yellow? Yeah. Take this part and put it in. Boom. So we got it. We got it. We got it. I love listening to songs. So now we gotta put the corner piece, the yellow. No, man, we're so close. Yellow, 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 green, and orange. So, yeah. So let's go. Yeah. So here it goes. So the green and green matches. Yellow's here. Wait, I think I'm doing something wrong. Yeah. Now it goes. So this is fine. Now we gotta put the triangular piece. Take the triangular piece pointing up, and ew, it's pretty frustrating. Yeah, there we go. So now the last corner piece. So first we gotta put the green. So we gotta put it like here. And just keep a check that nothing goes bad. We'll have to put the corner piece, so the white, green, and orange. White, green, and orange. First we gotta put that. The orange goes down. Now we gotta put a triangular white piece. We take this. Again, the difficult part. This is not happening. Let's just put this now. Yes. It ain't going. Looks like I've got to do this corner again. So take the green side to this part. Take the corner piece. Put it back. This corner is difficult. There we go. The corner fits in. Now we need the white part. And there it has to go now. So it goes like this is so difficult. So I'm giving a lift off. Because I'm gonna take the cube part. Now it was disappeared. Yeah, it disappeared actually. Yeah, here it is. No, this is not the one. Yeah, sorry, this is the one. Yeah, gotta take this, and I think we keep the cube like this. I think, yeah, we finally got it. So now we gotta start with the red side. Keep this like this. So now we organize the parts. We got take the triangular part first. I've got to search the triangular part, the triangular corner actually, and we gotta find the triangular. Where did it go? I think I misplaced it. Yeah, there it is. So we gotta put it like this. Actually, we can put the second yellow also. So I think that is the one. And that is the one. This is a corner piece. Looks like I just kept it somewhere here. So let's begin the search. Now, I think I dropped it somewhere. So let's keep finding it until I find the part. Okay, let's keep it towards the end. Yes, I found it. Yeah. So I gotta put this and yeah. So now we gotta put the corner piece. The blue, yellow, and the red. Yeah, here it is. We take the blue part and put it here. Now we have gotta put the blue triangular piece. I think let's do the triangular piece first. So remove the corner, the triangular piece. Now take the corner back, put the corner again, and take the red triangle and just put it again. Why is it so hard? So let's just do this. Oh, this is yeah, I think I found out the way. Yes, here we go. Okay, so let's just keep on checking that nothing just came off. So now we gotta put this corner piece. So first we'll put the green part. Yeah, then the corner piece. So the yellow, green, and red. Yeah. Oh, sorry, the yellow, green, and red. This is the one. Let's just put it. Yeah. So now this is correctly placed. You gotta take the red part, yeah, red triangular. Just put it. Yeah, there we go. That was easy. So now we gotta put the white and the blue part. So now that's gonna be difficult. So take the first. Oh, that came out from somewhere. Oh yeah, there it is. So see, sometimes it comes out, so you gotta keep it like keep it nicely and do it properly. Yeah, there we go. So now we gotta take the white corner piece, triangular piece, put it here. Take the blue piece, then put it here. Now take the white, blue, and the red corner piece, and put it here, I suppose. So, yeah, please. We've gotta do this, and I know we can. It went flying. Do you? I know we can do this. Yeah, there we go. Now we gotta put the red triangular piece. So it goes like this. Keep it horizontal. Let's put this. Yeah. So we got this one. So now we finally came to the last part. Put the white piece. Put the green piece. And then the last corner piece. Oops, put the wrong part. Now the last corner piece. I think yes, this is the way we have got to put it. So now the last triangular piece. This is the hardest one. So like we gotta take it to a little diagonally, and there we go. This was pretty easy. So guys, as you can see, we just finished off the cube. It was pretty difficult, but practice it and it will become very easy. Thank you for watching, and this is ENT Cubing. Yeah.